everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from obviously this look and the title of this video, I'm going to be doing this Cardi B Invasion of Privacy inspired look for Halloween. It's going to be fire. So if you want to see or find out where I got all the stuff that I have on today or used for this whole costume, just check the description box. Comment if you have any questions about how I did certain things and I'll make sure to get back to you. So yeah, go ahead and keep watching to see how I got this look.
Turned on my L's and my best hands. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dream pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
I'm like Big Pop mixed with Tupac. I'm like Machiavelli, Nita, Little Caesar pizza. I be hot and ready, nigga. You a pussy and a rat. You like Tom and Jerry, nigga. You ain't ballin', you just talking. That's that commentary. I was in the field, man. I slaved for this. Had to talk to God, drop down and pray for this. To my surprise, he replied, say you made for this. I seen the car, wanted, then I went and paid for it. Cash, cash. Hit the take care, hit the race, hit the dash, dash. That's when they came for me on Twitter with the backlash. Cardi B is so problematic. It's the hashtag. I can't believe they wanna see me lose that bad. They talking junk and they think these hoes mad trash. I'm giggling, can let the devil have the last laugh. Ain't no more beefing, I'm just keeping to myself. I'm my own competition, I'm competing with myself.
I told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Drink pulling up, it's like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like. You don't like money, I can see it in your eye. You don't like winning, I can see it in your tie. Better be careful with you women when you trick and send and fly. She count money in her sleep and she don't never spend the night. But she trapping and she had to make it happen for her life. Don't be mad because she having shit, you had it your whole life. We had baggage on our flights, we had badges on our asses. You got passes in your life, you had gadgets on your bike. Got work magic, got work magic, got work magic in my life. And that guala like Ayala, cause that bag just fix my life. And y'all know good and damn well I don't want no champagne. But can we please get some more champagne? Please no Andre G like Bonche. Reach like Ron James, pep talk from Beyonce. Remember my hands had ash like Pompeii. Now they hold cash, won't peak like Dante. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Drink pulling up, it's like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
I never had a problem showing y'all the real me. Hair when it's fucked up, crib when it's filthy. Way before the deal me, strip to pay the bills me. Before I fix my teeth, man, those comments used to kill me. But never did I change, never been ashamed. Never did I switch, stories stay the same. I did this on my own, I made this a lane. Y'all gotta bear with me, I've been through some things. Went from small ass apartments to walking red carpets, pissy elevators, now every dress is tailored. Just some real life fairy tale, Cinderella shit. I got further than them hoes said I will ever get. And that only goes to show that only God knows. I took pictures with Beyonce, I'm in mama knows. I'm the rose that came from the concrete and the rose. I'm like gold, I'm like gold, man, I'm chosen, I'm floating, hey.
I told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I'm living my best life. I made a couple L's with my best friend. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip filling up, it's like skirt. Drink filling up, it's like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like. Skirt, it's going down right now. Skirt, Jamie Foxx in your town like skirt. Money falling up, man. All the blacks on me coming down.
You don't hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Should I call first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get in touch with. And you ain't hit me up in a while. Acting like you don't know a number but a dial. You quit, then that's it. I'ma throw in the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke. Learn to text with your nose so your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass. But I still wake up to miss calls from your ass, nigga. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Nah, nigga, nah, you gon' have to call me. Cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot, and you gon' be hot, nigga, coffee. You gon' be sick to your stomach. Hit me when you free, 1-800. It's emergency, call me 911. Cause right now I'm out here tryna find someone. The ring on my phone, ring on my finger. You acting like you ain't tryna do either. What's a good girl? Watch me turn diva. Here goes my heart. You don't keep my line no more. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. You used to be on my line, on my tip all the time, yeah. Love it when you make me feel like you don't mind when I ain't got time for you. You know it don't go to my head. I'm only ever getting bed. I just love to know you wanna spend time with me instead. Now you all caught up, yeah, you all caught up. Now you done left me alone, yeah. You was all fed up, ready for the next step. Wanna be on your own. Said I just miss you, I just miss us, baby. All I know is you don't keep my line no more. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Look, I just wanna break up all your shit. Call your mama phone, let her know that she raised a bitch. Then dial tone click. And fucking little fake ass friends come around looking like they my bros. I seen that little group text where y'all all like to brag about your hoes. And you can tell your little bitch I screenshotted all her naked pics. Or you wanna send news to my man. Wake up and see your boobs on the gram, little bitch. I cannot stand you, right hand to Jesus. I might just cut all the tongues like your sneakers. Snatch your TV from Best Buy. You gon' turn me in the left eye. I don't wanna hear about invasion of privacy. I had a feeling it turns out you lied to me. I'm holding back everything that's inside of me. How you all fucking with bitches that follow me? My heart is beating like it's bleeding now. Sleeping like a baby. Everyone was right about you now. I went to your phone last night. I went to your phone last night. Saw some things I didn't like. I went through your phone last night. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out. All I can see is you and her in different scenarios. Beyonce on my stereo, resentment on repeat. I'ma make a bowl of cereal with a teaspoon of bleach. Serve it to you like here you go, nigga, bon appetit. Look, do you give it to her raw? You love her or not? You risk your home for a hoe from the bar? You really want them hoes? You can have them bitches. You don't even cheat with no bad bitches. This shit is eating me. You sleeping peacefully, getting more mad at you, thinking about stabbing you. Don't even know that you this close to dying. You gon' wake up like why you got an attitude? Heart is beating like it's bleeding now. Sleeping like a baby. Everyone was right about you now. Phone last night. I went to your phone last night. Saw some things I didn't like. I went to your phone last night. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out. It's killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out. It's killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out. It's killing me. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out. It's killing me. I went to your phone last night. I went to your phone last night. Saw some things I didn't like. I went to your phone last night. It's killing me, killing me, killing me out. Say little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you and I don't speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves. Now she say she